Hi guys, howdy do. I'm Karen Adamski with ShamaMama.com, and I wanted to quickly tell you about a really fun free workshop that's coming up this Saturday evening here at my house. That's August 18th, and it's a free voice workshop. And this is being hosted by Emily Kreitzer, one of my very good friends, one of my favorite people in the world, and she's an accomplished music teacher and drama teacher and theater teacher. And she has, through her own self-work, come up with tools to connect your solar plexus chakra and your throat chakra. Pretty powerful. So it's all about speaking your truth, getting in contact with your own true self, and using your own voice. So she's going to be teaching us some tools through chanting and toning and yoga. So bring your yoga mat and dress comfortably. And then in addition to working with Emily, you'll also get to meet with Candy Thayer. And Candy is an expert in essential oils and how they can help you heal your body, balance your energy, and she knows about which oils are good for certain chakras. So she'll also be focusing on the solar plexus chakra and the throat chakra. She's also going to be making custom blends for you on the spot if you'd like, and those will be $12 in a roller tube. So pretty cool. So we're going to make time for that if that's something you're interested in. You can learn more about that. And then I will also be there, and I'll be sharing information about crystals and the vibration and the healing that they can bring to you, how you can use them to heal both your solar plexus chakra and your throat chakra and strengthen them and speak your truth. Okay, so that's kind of what it's all about. Again, it's free here at my house on Saturday evening from 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock p.m. And there will be wine and there will be light snacks. So if you don't have any plans, why wouldn't you come? Because it's pretty cool. All right, I hope to see you there. Namaste.